Hello guys, and welcome to a new video on my channel. I'm today in Mohenjo-Daro. I hope I pronounced it not too bad. It's in the Sindh Province of Pakistan, and it's one of the oldest civilizations in the world. I believe it's like the third or fourth oldest, and it is actually over 5,000 years old, which is absolutely incredible. It's a huge site, and unfortunately almost everything is in ruins because there was not so many precautions made, and it needs to be protected better. It is now a UNESCO World Heritage, so there is some funds to do that, and I hope it will work. The other problem is there is some crazy floods in this region, so this damaged the civilization, the ruins even further, which is really sad, but I'm really looking forward to explore this place.
At that time, this administration, but actually, civilization is flourishing between 500 to 1800 BC.
You might ask yourself why I'm walking around like a silly idiot. The reason is it's super hot and we're here at noon, so the sun is beating on our heads. I actually rented this hat here. It was about 25 cents or something to rent it. I brought some water, I put sunscreen everywhere, and it's seriously super hot, but what can you do? You have to live with it. So let's see what I can find here. The mud here is so dry. It's like shiny paper. When there is a little bit of shade, I need to go there. So behind you, you can see the great bath that they basically used as a, what we know as today, a pool. They fill it up with water and had a special system that made the water cool. It's hard to imagine how the water in there was cool like 3, 4, 5,000 years ago. That's a masterpiece of architecture. And it's just insane, always when I visit places like this, how smart these people were. Their civilizations were so well organized and structured. This is really impressive to me, especially because they didn't have technology like we have today. I mean, today every country can do stuff like this. 5,000 years ago, this was a huge achievement. Apparently, this place is also on the 20 rupee bill of the Pakistani currency, and we're exactly at the spot of the picture. I don't know if you can see it. It's exactly the same. Unfortunately, it's already time to leave again. The sun is honestly killing all of us. It was super hot. I managed to fly the drone, which was quite tricky because there is an airport nearby, so you have to register for the flying zone there and have to be careful to not fly into the airport zone. But it was so much worth it. You will see it from the aerial view. The city looks really impressive. Guys, a quick update. So apparently due to the huge floods that are in the Sindh region at the moment, we couldn't go to any other place that we planned to today. Some shrines and I think also a mosque. So unfortunately we couldn't go there because of the floods. And we now decided to actually drive back all the way to Karachi, which is from here another 5 hours. That is what Google Maps says, but there is huge floods in Karachi, or there was huge floods. I don't really know how the situation right now looks. So we have no real clue how long it takes. I hope not too long, and I hope we can make it there. And if something happens on the way, I will update you. What we do right now is having a dinner in Cebuan. I think that's not how you pronounce it, but at least I tried. So see you guys later. So guys, apparently we couldn't stop anywhere else and we made it all the way back to Karachi, where I'm in my hotel now, the Avari Towers. And yeah, I really need some sleep. It's after 3 a.m. in the morning now, and I had a fantastic day anyway, even though we had to skip a lot of stuff because of the floods. And I thank you so much for watching. I hope you can leave a like if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel to not miss future videos. And I see you guys another time. Have a great day.